Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Bami. Today I would like to show you how to make your favorite Nigerian snacks, puff puff puff. Into a clean bowl of water, add 2 spoons of yeast, 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of plain or self-rising flour. Mix this properly either with your hand or spatula, whichever you find comfortable. And then you cover with a clean cloth and leave to rise for say 10 to 15 minutes, and this is what you get. And now we're getting ready to put this in our heated oil, and we need to leave this puff puff to cook, on each side for about 5 minutes, and you turn regularly. And once this is getting golden brown, then that means our puff puff is almost done, and you see the color changing gradually. And this is what we see. Once it's golden brown and you're happy with how brown it is, you could leave for as long as you want. Some people want it slightly brown, some people want it golden brown. I like mine slightly brown. And what you need to do is serve your puff puff, and that is your favorite African snacks ready and good to be devoured. Okay, so you can eat this on its own, or you serve with any chilled drink or hot chocolate in the morning, in the afternoon, as you like it. Enjoy. If you like this video, please click like and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know, put your comments below on what you'd like us to discuss about, or what videos or recipe you would like me to show you next time.